Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram connected to Facebook problem. So the answer is simple. You have to just go to the settings, okay, as you see, and then scroll down to the apps, okay, and go to the apps section and search on Instagram. Next, go to the storage, and here as you see you'll find this clear cache here. Click on it, go check it, check if it worked. If it didn't work, you can maybe try to restart the phone. If it didn't work again, you can try to clear data, but be careful, you will lose all your data when you clear data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.